Rules for differentiation. Last videos we discussed constant rule, the identity rule and mostly the constant multiple rule. Now let's discuss the sum and difference rule. This rule states that the derivative of function u and function versus or dy over dx is equal to the derivative of u plus the derivative of versus with respect to x. dy over dx equals du over dx plus d versus over dx. This du over dx plus d versus over dx is for the sum, but for the difference you just put the minus sign between the derivatives. You might think this is derived using distributive property, but it's not. This is done by letting y equals u plus versus. Let's write the changes in y, u and versus, then y plus delta y equals u plus delta u plus v plus delta v. Transpose y to the right. So delta y is equal to u plus v plus delta v minus y, but y equals u plus v. So substitute u plus v. Then dy over dx is equal to the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches 0. But because as delta x approaches 0 is derivative, so the derivative of u plus v with respect to x or d of u plus v is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. U and v cancel as 0 due to opposite signs, leaving delta u over dx plus delta v over delta x. But because as delta x approaches 0 is derivative, so the derivative of u plus v with respect to x or d of u plus v is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx.
Here 17 and 13 as Curry bangs home the 2-point.
Example: y equals 4x to the power of 6 plus 2x cubed. U equals 4x to the power of 6 and v equals 2x cubed. So du over dx is 6 times 4x to the power of 5 and dv over dx is 2 times 3x squared. 6 times 4 is 24 and 2 times 3 is 6, so du over dx is 24x to the power of 5 and dv over dx is 6x squared. From the formula dy over dx is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. Substituting the derived results, we have dy over dx is equal to 24x to the power of 5 plus 6x squared.
Job individually to keep people out of the paint.
Beautiful feed.